hope the wind doesn't bother you. It's a little noisy because I'm right next to the skating rink at Somerset House, which is basically a Georgian house, estate, palace, built on top of a Tudor manor house as well. We're gonna go do the historical tour. It's free, so it's pretty cool. We got about 30 minutes before it takes off, so I thought I'd cruise around, take a few photos. I think my mom would have really, I said I wasn't gonna cry, so I'm not gonna cry. My mom would have really enjoyed this. It's beautiful. I mean, take a look. So yeah, like I said, she was a huge history nerd, kind of like me. Like I said, that's where I got it from. So I think she would have really enjoyed it. She would have really enjoyed the free tour. She probably would have enjoyed to see me go try to ice skate, but that's not happening. Yeah, so let's take a look. Alright guys, so a few little Christmas lights, something my mom really liked to do. She loved holidays, she loved markets, so combining the two is great. Somerset House was amazing, a lot of great history, really funny tour guide. It was really a blast. I think this is a day that my mom would have really enjoyed to have. I'm gonna get something to eat, and then I'm toying with getting show tickets for tomorrow. But it's hard pressed to spend money, you know, but I think I'm gonna wind up doing it. Alright guys, let me go get some food. Alright guys, so that's it for today. We're gonna end it. That's Trafalgar Square with the big old Christmas tree. This one we're gonna end it for today. I think my mom would have really enjoyed today, and tomorrow is even better because we're gonna hit the changing of the guards. Like I said, we're gonna walk through St. James Park. I think I'm gonna try to find a good afternoon tea, and tomorrow night we're doing Dream Girls. Super stoked. Another great day in memory of my mom. I think she would have really enjoyed it. Not only am I in front of Trafalgar Square, but behind me is the National Gallery, which is something else she would have really loved. So, with that being said, guys, this is good night. I'm gonna head back to the hostel and set up for tomorrow. All right, guys, see you tomorrow. Did you find the iPhone? I was